Hey guys, Rick from FlipSide Fishing here. Going back to Independence Grove for lunch. Very hot day again. It's in the 90s. A little bit of breeze. Not sure if I'll have to take a boat out later, but I'm gonna try my luck from the shore first and see how we do. The wind looks like it's coming from the northeast, it looks like. So we'll see what happens. Well, after much contemplation, I decided to rent a boat, even though there's a wind advisory in effect. I think I'll cover more water on a boat than I would do from shore in this hot day.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. What kind of boat?
12 with a motor.
12? Right back here, actually.
Right. Yes, sir.
You got it.
Yeah, been here many times. Thank you.
No problem.
Yep. Ooh, man, it's hot. You guys don't have cushions, do you?
No, we don't. Sorry, you can sit on your life jacket though.
Oh yeah, there you go.
time.
Well, that was a comical launch, but we're on our way. Hope to catch some fish in this hot weather. You know, they don't really particularly bite well in these kind of conditions. They go deep, but we'll go try our luck. Fish. Little guy. Little dink, but oh, it's a hot day. Kind of expect the bite to be a little slow, but you know, gotta keep my fish brain active, so let's get a picture here. And get out of this muck. Persistence pays off, guys. There's a fish. Little fish, but it's a fish. Oh. That's a big one. Whoa, pike. All right, buddy. Oh. Ah! All right, well, I'm taking a picture of you just like that. If you don't, if you behave. There you go, buddy. Yeah. Always hated catching those things because they well, they bite. But caught one. First pike of the year. Actually no, second pike of the year. That's about 1.5 pounds. Guys, nice little healthy fish. Let's get a weight on this guy. It's about 1.5 pounds, I think. Zero that out. Pound and 3, so I was pretty close. Nice healthy fish. Take a quick selfie. Let her go. Hi guys, Rick from FlipSide Fishing here. Windy day, Independence Grove Forest Preserve in Libertyville, Illinois. Just heading back to the dock, caught 3 bass, 2 little guys, and a 1.5, or 1.3, sorry, and a pike. So not a bad couple hours, you know, for being such a windy day. It is about 18-20 mile-an-hour gusts, really hard to battle the boat steering. Decided to actually rent one, started shore fishing, but wasn't getting any bites, so I decided to rent a boat for a couple hours, and now I'm trying to head back before my time's up. Well, again, it was a hot afternoon. Chicago was about 90 degrees, but I bared it, got some sunblock. I turned really dark before the end of the week. So until next time, guys, see you in the water, tight lines. not too bad. Little windy. Little windy. Hard to maneuver and fish at the same time. All in all, boy, I still caught three bass and a pike.
Okay.
So not too bad. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed that little video of my adventure at Independence Grove, my stomping grounds. It was fun, hot, again battling the winds, but all in all, not a bad day. Caught 3 bass, 2 little guys, 1 decent 1 pound 3 ounce bass, and a pike. So until next time, tight lines, and hope to see you on the water.